Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Ziploc containers are probably one of the most versatile and indispensable tools in any modern kitchen, offering a reliable solution for keeping your food fresh, organized, and ready to go. Whether you're packing lunches, storing leftovers, or prepping meals for the week ahead, ensuring that your culinary creations remain as delicious and appealing as the moment you made them, thereby reducing waste and saving you money. Number 5. Stock your home 32-ounce plastic containers with twist top lids, 6-pack. These 32-ounce containers are perfect for storing larger portions of meals, soups, or family-sized dishes. They offer ample space for all your food storage needs. The twist top lids create a secure and airtight seal. This ensures your food stays fresh for longer, preventing spoilage. You can easily freeze your favorite meals in these containers. This makes meal preparation and storage incredibly simple. Reheating leftovers is a breeze in the microwave. Plus, cleanup is just as easy as they are dishwasher safe. Crafted for durability, these containers are designed to be reused. They are a sustainable option for your kitchen. What we like? These containers offer a generous quart size, perfect for larger portions. The airtight seal keeps food fresh for longer. If you're looking for a reliable way to store bulk leftovers or meal prep family-sized dishes, these are a great choice. What people say. The containers are sturdy and the lids seal tightly, preventing leaks. They stack well in the cupboard, saving space. The clear plastic makes it easy to see what's inside without opening the container. Number 4. PLASTICPRO 6-pack 4-ounce food storage containers. Introducing our set of 6 4-ounce food containers. They come with blue screw-on lids designed to keep your food fresh. Made from BPA-free, food-grade polypropylene, these containers are reusable and safe for your microwave and freezer. The tight seal twist lock lids ensure secure, leak-proof storage for all your favorites, from soups to snacks. These stackable round containers are ideal for meal prepping, storage, and keeping your kitchen organized. Enjoy durable and reusable plastic containers with lids, perfect for both home kitchens and commercial use. What we like? These small 4-ounce containers are ideal for portion control and individual meal prep. Their leak-proof design makes them perfect for sauces and snacks on the go. If you are a busy individual who needs to pack small, controlled portions for lunch or snacks, these are perfect for you. What people say. The lids are easy to put on and take off, and they seal tightly to keep food fresh. These containers are great for meal prepping and storing leftovers. They stack nicely in the fridge and pantry, saving space. The containers are made of durable plastic that doesn't crack or break easily, even when dropped. Number 3. PLASTICPRO 48-ounce twist top deli containers. Meet the PLASTICPRO 48-ounce twist top deli containers. These clear containers with red twist-on lids are perfect for all your food storage needs. They are great for taking lunch on the go, storing food in the freezer, or organizing your kitchen. Keep your food fresh and your space tidy. Enjoy the convenience of stackable, reusable, and easy-to-clean containers. They are also microwave and dishwasher safe for effortless use. The airtight, leak-resistant seal ensures your food stays fresh and prevents spills. You can trust them for any situation. This pack includes 4 BPA-free food storage canisters. They are designed for your safety and peace of mind. Their stackable design makes them ideal for saving space in your kitchen or freezer. Maximize your storage efficiently. What we like? With a large 48-ounce capacity, these containers are great for substantial meals or bulk storage. They are stackable and feature an airtight, leak-resistant seal. If you need to store large quantities of food, like soups or grains, and want to save space in your pantry or fridge, these are an excellent option. What people say. These containers are great for meal prep and storing leftovers. They are microwave safe and dishwasher safe, which makes them very convenient. The lids seal tightly, preventing leaks and keeping food fresh for longer. The containers are also stackable, saving space in the refrigerator and pantry. I love the variety of sizes included in this set. There's a container for every need, from small snacks to large meals. Number 2. YANGRUI 40-pack 48-ounce meal prep containers. These containers boast a jumbo 48-ounce single compartment, perfect for fitting an entire roast chicken or a full rack of ribs. Its deep cavity holds up to 2.5 kilograms, making it ideal for large batch cooking or restaurant takeout. Each container arrives hygienically shrink-wrapped and ready to use, eliminating the need for pre-rinsing. Save precious time and effort, especially in busy commercial kitchens. Made from flexible pure PP, these containers are shatterproof and bend on impact instead of breaking. They are lighter yet tough enough to safely hold heavy foods without creating dangerous fragments. The tight-fitting lid snaps securely to prevent leaks, even with boiling soups or greasy barbecue. You can confidently lift them by the lid, knowing the interlocking tabs will hold firm. These containers nest tightly, reducing storage volume by 45%. With 40 in a box, you'll always be stocked for events or batch cooking, and they are durable enough for hundreds of dishwasher cycles. What we like? These jumbo 48-ounce containers are designed for very large meals and are shatterproof for safety. They come shrink-wrapped and ready to use, saving you time. If you're a meal prepper cooking in large batches, a restaurant needing takeout containers, or storing big holiday leftovers, these are ideal. What people say. The containers are durable and have a good seal. They stack well in the fridge and pantry, saving space. The lids are easy to put on and take off, and they don't leak. Number 1. Ziploc Twist and Lock Small Round Food Containers, 9 count. These food storage containers feature a leak-resistant design, making them ideal for storing liquids without worry. Keep your food fresh for longer. These containers are designed to lock in freshness effectively. Fight food waste with these reusable meal prep containers. They offer a sustainable way to store your meals. Storing leftovers is simple. These containers stack easily in your fridge or freezer, saving you space. You can feel good about using them. They are made without BPA or phthalates for your peace of mind. Perfect for all your food storage needs. They are a versatile addition to any kitchen. What we like? These containers are specifically designed to be leak-resistant, making them great for liquids. They effectively lock in freshness and are made without BPA or phthalates. If you frequently transport liquids like soups or dressings and prioritize safe materials, these are a solid choice for your food storage needs. What people say. The containers are sturdy and durable, holding up well to repeated use. The lids seal tightly, preventing leaks and keeping food fresh. They are microwave and dishwasher safe, making them convenient for everyday use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.